Okay.
So you just do animals? I do humans and animals at this point. My goal is to do just animals. My goal is within a year, so let's see. Yep. I'm thinking it's more cute. Let's see.
Get you as good as we can for a 10-year-old boxer.
Just motioning right now. Touch things. Alright. Just the first one here. I don't know how she'll react, so just watch your face and keep holding that color for me. Good. You can see her back as I motion this. See the little twitch there?
Oh.
You see the little muscle twitch? So that's a sign that this area is tender to her when you're motioning in the direction.
Changing breath is good. We're releasing energy.
I'm not getting that response anymore. So nice in the dog stand still. Nice there. Seven here.
Good job. Do you want me to come to the side here? Or?